Hello guys, welcome back to Quick Guide. I'm back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to teach you how to create Airbnb account. For that, first of all, open up your Airbnb app. You can sign up with your mobile number, or you can continue with email, Apple, Google or Facebook. For now, I'm going to sign up with my phone number. After you are done, tap on continue. Now a code will be sent to you over SMS to your mobile number. Enter the code which has been sent to you. To finish signing up, you need to enter your first name, last name, your birth date and your email. After you're done, tap on agree and continue. After that, a notification will appear on your screen asking if you are going to treat everyone equally in the Airbnb community. Tap on agree and join. If you want to turn on your notification, tap on yes, notify me. If you want to skip, tap on skip. This way you can easily create an account on Airbnb. I hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Quick Guide.